Good morning, guys. How's it going? We are still here in Hoosier National Forest in Indiana. We're going to head out today and head on up to New York. It sounds like a long, crazy drive, and it's like 8 hours, but you know, I've done worse. This spot turned out to be really nice. I didn't sleep that great, but it's because it's like the first night, I think, and I'm learning if I'm going to go to bed in there, I need to be tired. It's probably a little more packed than I'd like. If I had it to do over again, I would probably take a little less stuff, but it's okay. I got everything I need for this trip, and if I want to do some backpacking, I got that stuff too. No, this is a good site. I didn't hear anything overnight. I did hear one car pass by the road. I didn't stop, do anything. It was like 3:30 in the morning, which is a little strange, but this is like farm area, and it was the harvest moon last night, so I don't know. I'm not a farmer, but yeah, all in all, it was pretty good. Quiet, nice, and best of all, free. So today we will kind of keep in touch while we're on the road, and I'll see you out there. On the road again. We are somewhere outside of Louisville. That's Kentucky. For those of you who have not been to Kentucky. Yeah, it's going to be a fairly long day of driving. I've done some pretty long, crazy road trips, but this one's a little bit different. I think I mentioned yesterday that the ultimate destination is Massachusetts to see my aunt. After that, the future is wide open. Like a lot of people who decide to travel, I think that I found that, you know, I'm not satisfied with my life. I'm not satisfied with what's going on in my life, who's in my life, what I've chosen, what I haven't chosen. And people talk about living purposefully, and I start to get a better sense of that. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Pennsylvania, says Google. It has been a long-ass day. Yeah, I started out at like 8, maybe like 8:30 this morning in the woods in Indiana, and we are currently on the highway in Pennsylvania. Been on the road like 7 hours, 7.5. Actually, really 8, but we are headed to Mount Pleasant State Forest in New York. Looks like we're a little under an hour away. Of course, as you'd expect, there is some rain. It wouldn't be a trip that I'm on unless there is rain, so that's a little worrisome, because we still got to cook dinner and do a couple other things before we get in the car and go to bed. But I anticipate sleeping better tonight, and I hope that's true. Why does someone go and travel and feel like they don't have a place in the real world? I don't know. That's how I felt for a long time. I lost a relationship recently, which also tends to push people to get on the road, I think. It was a bad breakup. And even as I'm sitting here driving, it was 2 months ago, and I'm driving here, and I don't know, guys, a couple hours into driving, and I start getting real emotional. I start thinking about the things I've done wrong, and things I don't have, and the people I don't have, and the fact that nobody's waiting there on the other end back at home. I don't know. For me, it's like the future's wide open, but at the same time, it's like the future has kind of changed dramatically and very, very quickly. I thought maybe a year from now I might be married. I might be living somewhere else. I might be doing something. I don't know. I had a lot of dreams. I had a lot of thoughts about what was going to happen, and it all kind of came crashing down on me. So right now, I guess I'm on a journey to learn something about myself. It's a big task. A lot of existential questions. A lot of things to think about. a lot of time to think. It's been kind of a rough day in that way, but we keep moving, and we're headed to New York, and hopefully the forest will be good there. The sites that I'm going to check out there actually they're the same kind. They're the roadside, what they call dispersed or primitive camping, but they're actually designated sites. And what that does for you basically is ensures that you will find a site, level ground. I think they even have pit toilets or picnic tables at these New York State Forest ones, but we will see. Either way though, it's comforting to know at least I'll have a place that I know I'm going to be able to pull into and get started on dinner real quick and get done what I need to get done. But we will check in when we get there. I'll see you guys soon. Ooh guys, just had an adventure. Yeah, just kind of drove through the woods, probably where I should not have driven. I got to a road at one point where I knew I had to turn around. It was a little scary, but yeah, all in the pursuit of somewhere to park and sleep. We ended up sort of at the head of a trail here. Not typically legitimate, but yeah, there ain't nobody out here, dude. I don't know who I'm talking to like that, like as if you're a dude or you know, whatever, but yeah, see, we're at this trailhead. We got the ride. It was a crazy day, let me tell you. What else do we got over here? We got a bunch of private property posted signs. We'll go back there. Yeah, trailhead. But not bad. No ATVs. Definitely not not ideal, but doable. So we're gonna make the best out of it and do our thing. So we are in western New York in the woods. I've never even been in New York before, but here I am in the woods. It's raining crazy, dude. I mean, then again, I'm standing outside, but here I'm gonna sleep. And yeah, there's the creepy road. But I'll catch y'all in the morning. Peace.